Hi everyone, in today's video I thought I would show you how to set your dovetail angle with just a simple sliding bevel. Let's get into the video. So when you're going to set your bevel up, you first need to get a piece of board or use your workbench to make sure it's also straight along here. So when you reference your square off it, it's nice and square when you get your line up here. What I'll do is I'll bring you in closer and then you can have a look exactly how you would do it. So the first thing you want to do when you want to draw your ratio is you draw a square line with something that you know is square, and then you want to come across whatever ratio you want to do. So if it's a 1 in 6 ratio, then you would come across 10mm, make sure it's at the bottom, and then you would go up, as we say, if it's a 1 in 6 ratio, then you go up 60mm, so that's there. Then you join your two lines together. You grab your sliding bevel, push it up against the side, and you reference it off that edge, and you tighten it down. And then that is your bevel locked in, ready to go. So if you work in Imperial, then it's just exactly the same thing. You just draw your line down with your square. Instead of measuring 10mm across, you measure 1 inch across. So that is there. Then you measure whatever you want. So if it's 6 inches or a 1 in 6 ratio, then you measure 6 inches up. So that'll be up here. And sometimes you may need just to extend that line up to there. Then join your two together with your ruler, and that should still be the same as the one we did over there. So as you can see, this was the 10mm one and 60mm one, so that's how it lines up there with the sliding bevel, and the inches, as you can see, it is exactly the same. So it's exactly the same if you want to do a 1 in 8 ratio. You just draw your line up here, measure up 80mm, measure across 10mm, and draw your lines together. You then grab your sliding bevel up against the edge, move it around till it all lines up nicely, tighten it up, and there we are. We have got our 1 in 8 ratio. So in all, it is quite an easy thing to do. You just measure across whatever unit you want, so 10mm or 1 inch, and then you come up whatever ratio you want. So if it's 1 in 7, then you would come up 7 inches, or 70mm, or 1 in 8, you come up 8 inches and 80mm. Goes to everything, whatever ratio you want to do. So yeah, it's very simple. So if you were stuck, I hope this video helped you out on finding how to do it. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.